Hello guys, and welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at the boom and crash strategy. I've been getting lots of messages from people asking me about the best strategies which they can use to trade boom and crash, and we'll be checking that out in today's video so that you will know what to go for or what to spot before you can place your order. Okay, these are some of the things we'll be checking out in today's video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself, on how you can make some cool cash for yourself, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first of all on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, like I said, we'll be looking at boom and crash trading strategies which we can use to milk the market successfully. But before we go fully into that, it is important I take you down to the Jamboard just for us to see what are the things we should look out for before we can go on with a certain pattern or with a certain strategy in order for us to trade successfully. If you don't know some of these things, then you might be getting it wrong. Okay, there are some things that are very essential in trading this particular assets, okay, so that you can have a successful trading record. Okay, the first thing that is very important is the trend. Okay, here is the trend, and it has a lot of things to do with whatever we are doing. Okay, the trend is very important. You need to know the right trend to trade whatever assets you are trading. Okay, you need to know the right trend to trade whatever assets you are trading. So you also need to know what you want to achieve. Okay, for instance, if you are not trading the spiky parts, okay, if you are not trading the spiky part, definitely the best trend to trade boom is the sell trend, which is the downtrend. Okay, the downtrend is the best time to trade the boom. Okay, that is the best time to trade the boom, and it must come from the resistance zone. Okay, that is very important, a major resistance zone. But for crash, okay, the best time to trade it is when the market is going on uptrend or already on uptrend, and it is best traded around a support zone, a major support zone. Okay, when you start from a major support zone, you will be able to milk the market for a very long time. So all these things are very vital, okay, whenever you are trading these two assets. Okay, so another thing you need to be very sure of is your support and your resistance zone. Okay, your support and your resistance zone will help you know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, it will help you know your entry point and your exit point, and this is very important. Okay, and of course the last thing you should also consider is your lot size. Okay, your lot size is very important, because there will always be pullback. No matter how strong the trend is, there will always be pullbacks in between. But if you are having a very good lot size, your capital will be able to control the accounts whenever the market is pulling back. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, once you use a reasonable lot size that your capital can control, then definitely you will be milking the market for a very long time. Each time you pick up your system or your phone to trade, you will always close your trade in profit, because you know all your onions at that particular time. Okay, so let's go straight into the chart so that we get to see some practical stuff on what we should cite or what we should be able to identify on the chart. But it is always important that you know or you have a good indicator that will help you to know the direction of the market, or to be able to pick up some of these things that I have highlighted for you, for you guys on the Jamboard. Okay, if you are not good with the technical analysis, then you should be having a good trading tools that will help you to pick them up easily without any issue. Right now we are not focusing on the spiky part. Okay, the first thing you should do is make sure your trading activities is done on M5. Okay, do not go to M1 for now, go to M5. Okay, M5 is very, very important. Let's all start with M5. Okay, so right now this is boom 500 and the chart is on M5. Okay, and you should be having a good trading tool that will help you to identify some of these areas which I have highlighted on the Jamboard. If you are not having that, then here is a good indicator you can use. It is called the 3M trend milker indicator. You can contact me to make inquiry about it. Okay, you can contact me to make inquiry about it, but this is this is an indicator that will help you to know the trend of the market. It also helps you to know the entry point and your exit point depending on what you are trading, also your resistance zone and your support zone. And of course guys, it also helps you to know the the resistance zone and it also helps you to know whenever the market is ranging. Okay, whenever the market is ranging, so that you can stay away from the market before it starts ranging. For instance, around here it gave us an entry point signal, and somewhere around here it will have given us an information that the market is about to range before any of these spikes will occur. Okay, so what you should do is to close your trade at this point. If you don't want to face the ranging period, okay, you just close your trade at this point. And of course all these will happen and you come in later on when the ranging period is over. So all these are very, very important. Once you have an indicator that can help you to put all these or to spot out all these without wasting time, then you are good to go. It's not compulsory for the indicator to look exactly the same thing with what I'm having on the screen at the moment. But if you want what I'm having on the screen at the moment, then you can go for it. Okay, so that is that. So let's quickly check that right away. So you can see this is 5-minute time frame. The market was on uptrend before. You can see, okay, this is a very good one. The market was on uptrend before. You can see it right here. It was on uptrend before. You can see it till this level. Okay, around there it started ranging because it has gotten to a major resistance zone. Okay, and it's the reason for the ranging activity is that it's trying to break out from the resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from the resistance zone, and at the same time it was not finding it easy to break out below the support zone so that it can go on downtrend. But at this point it broke out totally because the market went back on downtrend. You can see the red flag showing us that the market is on downtrend, and of course we got our entry point signal around here and it started going down. Okay, so at this stage you can easily pick up your trade and trade because you have the assurance that the market is on downtrend. You can see if you had entered right here, immediately after you entered, it spiked up. It will have put you in negative or almost negative. A lot of people will have been scared at that point, but if you are using the right lot size, then definitely you have nothing to be scared of because you are in the right direction and you will be able to milk the market or close the trade in profit. Okay, that is it. And right from there it started going down, and you can see it going down and down and down. You can be in the market till the ranging region. This is where it's going to alert you that the market will start ranging any moment from now. So at that point you can close your trade right here. Immediately you get the information, close your trade immediately, and at that point you are good to go. If you should do your calculation very well, this is your entry point and here is your exit point. And let's do the calculation, guys. Let's try to pick up the number of candles created. Okay, this is 20 candles, 20 times 5, that is about 100 minutes. Okay, you spent 100 minutes trading in one direction. Okay, if you are earning 50 cents per minute, definitely you would have earned $50 at that particular point, just trading from here to here alone. Okay, and if you are earning 50 cents per minute, that means you are using a very small lot size. Okay, but what if you are using a fairly good lot size? Definitely you can be earning like $2 per minute. Okay, and that would have given you $200 at that particular point. And this is just a single trade from an asset alone, and we have about 6 different assets under this category, okay, which you can trade. This is how beautiful this is. Okay, and you can see this is why it is important you know exactly what you want to achieve. If you are not trading the spiky part, you just want to trade the normal trend, then definitely you should know the right time to trade it. Okay, people will be when I say the right time, people will be thinking probably in the night or in the afternoon or in the morning. No, that's not what I mean. Okay, the right time to trade it is the right trend that is meant for that particular asset. Okay, so the right trend to trade that part of the asset is downtrend for boom, and it is uptrend for crash. So once you know this and you know how to identify the right trend, then you are good to go. Okay, just follow the signal that supports the trend. That is how it works. So guys, this is just an intro. I will be stopping here for now. In my next video, I will be sharing more strategies that you can put into use in order for you to trade this asset successfully. For now, I will be stopping right now. If you are joining us for the first time, this is coming to you courtesy courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and all you need to do is just to make sure you watch my training videos, make sure you practice and perfect it on your demo account before you try them. Try out whatever strategies you have learned from my videos. Okay, make sure you try them out on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very important, and if you are trying them out on your real account, go gradually until you are able to perfect it. It is always sweet when you start by making some profit for yourself. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so that is all you need to get started. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.